Hello out there, everyone in Mr. Arnold's CLN4U class. That's welcome. If you have gotten this far to the Brightspace homepage, you are well on your way to being successful in this course. If you have gotten to the Google Classroom page, you'll see that there are instructions on the Classroom page redirecting you to the Brightspace course page, which is now active. So let's take a look at how to get there. So from this page, if you've gotten this far, you can simply go to your Google Apps waffle and scroll down in your apps until you find the Brightspace icon here and then log in. Now, if you can't find the Brightspace icon, you can quite simply find in your UG Cloud landing page the Brightspace icon there as well, which is located directly under Google Drive and Gmail. When you click on the Brightspace icon, it will open up to what's called your Brightspace My Home page. This is your My Home page. Good. Now, if you haven't done this already, you are going to go down to where it says Google Apps. Under the Google Apps widget, you may or may not have your Google Apps synced to Brightspace. If you don't, you'll open up the widget and it will ask you to go through a few steps to do that. We'll cover this tomorrow as well. Excellent. Then we refer on the My Home page to your active courses. You can see that pinned to your page here, to the My Home page, is the CLN4U class. You can also get there by going to the waffle that says select a course, clicking on the waffle, and in the drop-down menu, you'll find CLN4UC M. Arnold located in your active courses. You can then go over and click on the pin, which will allow that course to stay at the top of your waffle search. We're now going to click on the course. Excellent. There are a few functions on the course homepage that you should know to be successful in Mr. Arnold's law class. The first is what's called the nav bar. On the nav bar, you'll find all the necessary apps for you to be successful in this course. The content logo, or icon, leads you to course content. That contains the lessons and material you'll need to complete your assignments. The Google Meet icon will be refreshed every morning and every afternoon with a new meeting link. If there is no meeting link, when you click on the Google Meet icon, you'll see that there is a standby document with Mr. Arnold's schedule. It's a good idea to make a copy of this schedule in case you need to refer back to it at some other point. Other apps on the course homepage are Google Chat and also the assessment apps, including class progress, assignments, and grades. We'll refer to those in a class lesson later. Excellent. Next step. On the Google Chat, if you click on this icon, you'll be taken to a forum page called Mr. Arnold's CLN 4U Secondary Remote School. This is where we will participate in what are called semi-synchronous group discussions. The last app is Gmail. But before we move on to Gmail, you'll also notice that you can send Mr. Arnold a direct chat message through Google Chat, which is the quickest way to receive an answer back. We'll talk about Mr. Arnold's after-school schedule in class as well. Great. Gmail can also be accessed using the Google Apps waffle or on the UG Cloud landing page in the top right-hand corner. Excellent. Let's talk about expectations. On the course homepage, you'll also find a widget entitled Due Dates. You'll see here that there is a calendar indicating due dates and also indicating upcoming events. These upcoming events correspond with the titles in the content for the course. If you click on these, you can access these when they're open to you. If you go to Content, you'll notice that there's no course content posted past the course overview now. The course content will be open at 9 a.m. on November 23rd. When you open the course content, you'll also notice that no units are posted past Unit 1 once Unit 1 is posted. That means you need to complete an entire unit before you move on to the next, and it will unlock once you have finished that unit. The expectations for this course are approximately 2 activities per day per unit. You can monitor your progress by going to the Assessment tab and Class Progress. In your Class Progress tab, you'll see that there are many drop-down menus that are handy to you, including grades, how much you've accessed the course and your login history, and also under content, you can see how much of the course content you visited up to this point. Excellent. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon on the Google Meet and within the Brightspace virtual learning environment. Let's work in our community of learners to contribute to everyone's success.